Morning everyone and welcome to Honda City Driving Center in Parañaque City. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our media and blogger friends who are here with us today.
Didiscuss lang natin yung mga features, safety features, and yung mga advanced features ng ating mga Rebel 1100 and ating pinakabagong big bike, yung ating CB1000 Hornet.
Honda CB1000 Hornet. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko sa kanya yung pagiging lightweight niya. Kasi 1000cc siya pero sobrang gaan. Pati yung seat height niya, medyo mababa. Very friendly lalo sa mga Filipino riders.
Yung kanyang meter panel, full colored na. At saka magaan yung handling. Very refined yung engine niya, walang vibration. Honda, number 1.
Honda XADV na 750. Naka-DCT na siya, dual clutch transmission, which is automatic na siya. Para lang naka-scooter, pero syempre kung siya siyang nagda-downshift tsaka nag-upshift. Tapos, very relaxed, napakalaki ng upuan. So, overall, pwede siya pang adventure, pwede pang everyday. Honda number 1.
Yung bagong Honda Rebel 1100, as in automatic na siya, kayang-kaya mong magamit. Seat height niya is abot na abot ko. I am 5 foot. Kahit maliit ka ng rider, kayang-kaya mo to. Sobrang gaan din niya, hindi siya ganun kabigat. Honda number 1.
And the good thing about dito sa Honda Philippines is that you can already buy yung kanilang genuine na mga motorcycle parts and accessories.
For example na lang itong XADV na nasa harap natin. Meron top box, side panniers, knuckle guard o hand guard, also mga bracket. Kung ano-ano pang accessories, meron yan sa kahit anong Honda flagship stores nationwide. Honda, number 1.
Honda number 1!